Hey guys, it's Tracy. This is June 23rd when I am filming this video. And yesterday a friend and I went to lunch, and so she needed to stop by the dollar store to pick up some things for her son's birthday party. And Dollar Tree had all of their fall flowers out. Oh my gosh. And I went absolutely crazy because you know that if you don't get them when you see them, if you go back, they may not be there. So they had some fun, things that I like to get for my fall decorating. And now they also had this wheat. It's a bunch of this wheat, and for $1. I have never seen those at my Dollar Tree or the few Dollar Trees that I usually go to. So I don't know if this is something new this year or if we're just, privy to getting them this year. So anyway, it kind of looks like different colors. Like this one's a little more brown, and then this one's a little more golden. So those are great to put in floral decor or in your wreaths and that kind of thing. So then I love these mums. They have 4 different colors at my Dollar Tree, but these are staple for fall. They have this, off-white color, and then they have this like little gold, I guess that'd be gold, goldenrod or something like that. And then this one is more orange. And this right here is more burnt orange. This is what I hate, and I usually check, all my stems, but I guess I was so excited yesterday, I totally didn't catch this, but I got gypped. I hate that. But, they kind of fall off the stem or fall off the little, wire part. So anyway. And then, of course, you cannot have a country rustic wreath without sunflowers. And so, the Dollar Tree I found usually has these sunflowers that are they're not real yellow. And so these are great to use in the fall decorating. And then these, I think, are my favorite flowers at the Dollar Tree. I love when they have them in stock. These are Burlap Sunflowers. I use a lot of these in my rustic decorating. So when I see them, I usually get them. And then I got these Dahlias. I guess that's how you say it. Anyway, these pretty flowers in the rustic farm. Well, yeah, I guess you could use it in farmhouse, but I was going to say fall. That's what I was meant to say. So anyway, I was so super stoked to go into the Dollar Tree just to get birthday stuff, and then they had all of their fall all their fall flowers out. So like I said, this is June 2018. Almost the end of June 2018, and they are already getting their fall flowers out for people like us, our designers, so that we can get our wreaths and get our craft on and get our creations created. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.